Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another clean with me. I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my entire downstairs, top to bottom. It's been so much easier to keep things tidy now that we've implemented an organization station into our entryway, and we're able to keep our stuff organized and out of sight. I'm washing down the baseboards with a little soap and water. There's a bunch of scuff marks on the walls, and I really want to take care of anything. So anything that soap and water doesn't remove, I'm going to use the magic eraser. I pick up the magic erasers in bulk, and then I cut them into half to tackle most of my cleaning jobs. So I'm using the OxiClean, the Arm & Hammer. This is the Pet Fresh carpet powder on all of my rugs. So what I do is I sprinkle the powder on and I let it soak in for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I come back and I vacuum it up. And this just does a great job at neutralizing any odors. Today I have my daughter helping me with the playroom, which has turned out to be an intense negotiation. We do keep all the bins labeled and organized for the most part. I've been trying to keep all of her favorite toys in her eye line so that they are easy for her to find and then also easy for her to go and put away when she's done. I told her I'm not buying any more bins for toys, so it either needs to be decluttered or passed on, and she won't be getting anything new until that happens. So once the bins are full, they're full, and that is it. Usually I do this when she's not home and at school, but with the quarantine, the kids have been home 24/7. So I usually set aside toys that she hasn't played with in a long time. Like I'll put them in the attic or the garage. And if she doesn't ask for them in a few months, I'll go ahead and donate them. Now that everything's nice and put away, I'm just going to finish up with vacuuming and dusting and wiping down the surfaces. Today I'm using the Method Surface and Glass Cleaner. This stuff is amazing. I talk about it all the time. It smells so good and it does such a great job at cleaning and not leaving any streaks.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
I'm finishing up the floors in my entryway. This is the Shark Steam Mop. This is the one that's like $49. I think I got it off Amazon, but I know that they also have it at Target. I will link it down below. My goal for August is to do a better job of just not tossing everything on the stairs. So clothes, different things that need to be put upstairs. I do have a small basket like on the landing, and I'm going to start using that more as, okay, let's put everything in the basket for the day, and then at the end of the day or when we get time, then carry everything up. And I typically always clean my house in sections, so I'll do like room by room, just a little bit at a time, and I'm so much more efficient when I clean like that. So when I'm cleaning the stairs, I always use a cordless vacuum, and I also typically always use like the Swiffer mop. I don't want to be dealing with anything that has a cord, not to mention it's a serious tripping hazard on the stairs, so I like everything cord free when I'm dealing with the stairs.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
To wipe down the banister and the stair rail, I'm just using a little bit of dish soap mixed with water and just a nice rag. This is like a microfiber cleaning rag. Moving on to the living room area, I'm gonna start by vacuuming and just tidying up. So I have a bunch of blankets that I like to wash on a weekly basis just to get them freshened up. And I've been loving the laundry boosters by Method. I think I get the mango something scent. It's in the orange bottle. Oh my goodness. My towels, my blankets, everything smells so good. So depending on the size of the load, I'll do like 1 capful of the boosters, or maybe I'll even do 2 sometimes. So we were trying to keep all the toys in the playroom, but with the baby, that's just not happening. So we've been using that little corner there for all of his baby toys. But I'm looking for something to put there, either a bench or some other type of furniture, maybe like a faux plant. So now I'm just doing the carpet powder out here with that same Arm & Hammer with the OxiClean, and I'm just gonna let that soak in for about 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna move on to vacuuming the other side of the living room while that's soaking in. And the little baby walker you see in the background was literally the best money we ever spent. Hunter loves it. It's so easy to clean, and I just think it looks good with like the decor, and I'm just so happy with the purchase. I'll link it below in case anyone is interested. And also, my vacuum is the Dyson. It's the V8, and a lot of questions I get are how long does the charge last. So there's 2 settings. There's the regular suction, and then there's the max suction. So if you have it on regular suction, I find that it lasts for at least 45 minutes, if not an hour. However, if you use the max suction, it's probably gonna only last about 20 minutes. So I'm working on some stains on my couch. I like to use a baby wipe and then maybe like a little Dawn dish soap or a little bit of the OxiClean. And also I use a lint roller to get off like any dog hair, anything that's going on like on the cushions for the most part. I swear, 1 minute I'm young, cool, fun, a little bit mischievous, and the next minute I'm lint rolling the dog hair off my couch. So I don't clean my couch like this all the time. The stains I try to get to right away because obviously my couch is off-white. But typically I'll like vacuum and pull all the cushions off like once a month. But also for my cushions, what I do is once like the one side is kind of beat up, I'll flip it over. And then once the other side's beat up, then I'll unzip it and I will go ahead and put them in the washer. That's what I love about this couch, is that you can unzip all the cushions and it's so easy to keep clean even though it's white. And I also Scotch guarded the whole thing, so that helps a ton as well. I'm finishing up here with my kitchen and my dining area. So usually when I tackle this area, I will like clear all the clutter off the counters, wipe them down, do all that. Today I want to switch it up, so I'm just going to do the vacuuming, and I'm going to be using my Steam Mop. I just feel like if I do it the other way around, I'm going to be so exhausted by the time that I'm done that I'm just not going to have the energy to finish vacuuming. Turn us
us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So you just put water in the Steam Mop, but I typically put some essential oil in it. So I'll do like a couple drops of like lavender oil or eucalyptus or whatever I have on hand. And it just makes the whole room smell so fresh. So now that I'm done with the floors, I'm going to move on to using the magic eraser to remove any scuff marks like on the island, on the walls, on the trim, and just give them a really good wipe down. Next up, I am going to clear all the clutter and remove everything from the countertops. And then move on to dusting the surfaces and then spraying down the countertops. So to clean the countertops and to wipe down all the surfaces, I am using the method. This is a glass and surface cleaner. It's the same stuff that I used earlier in the video. Definitely check it out. I'll link it down below. You will love it. It is so good. All right, so I've cleaned the counters, I've wiped everything down, I cleaned the backsplash, and now I just have to move on to doing the dishes. I'm gonna clean the sink. I'm gonna wipe down my stainless steel appliances. I love, love, love the wipes that I use. Normally I use like a foam, but I got them in the wipes this time and it's so much easier. You'll see, one wipe, I can clean all 3 appliances, actually 4 appliances. One wipe cleans everything. They're amazing. To clean my sink, I just use a little bit of dish soap and water and I just scrub it. And then sometimes I'll use like soft scrub every once in a while if I really want to give it a deep clean. We were hit by a tropical storm a couple days ago in this area, and I lost power for like 30 hours. So luckily I didn't have that much in my fridge and freezer, and I was able to remove everything into a cooler. So I figured it was a perfect time to kind of pull everything out and really give it a good scrub and a cleaning. And I saved the best for last. No, I'm just kidding. I hate doing the bathroom. So I keep disinfectant wipes right in the bathroom, and I also keep my toilet bowl cleaner right in the bathroom, so it makes it super easy and accessible to just quickly get it done. So I'm just kind of giving everything a good scrub. I want to get around the base of the toilet, make sure everything is nice and clean. And I'm going to finish up here by wiping down all of the surfaces. So door handles, light switches, clean the mirror, and then give the floor a little steam mop, and then we're done. I hope you liked today's clean with me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Wait until you see how dirty this mop pad is. Yuck.